Something we've been doing for years like clockwork. We spring ahead 1 hour at 2 a.m. to mark the beginning of daylight saving time. This year it falls on March 8th, the second Sunday of the month here in the U.S., and lasts through the first Sunday in November. But when and why did daylight saving become a thing, and how does it impact our health?
It really affects people who are already sleep deprived because you're losing an hour and your brain and your body needs sleep. You need it to repair your immune system, to fight off germs.
It's unclear if losing sleep was on Benjamin Franklin's mind. He came up with the idea to shift the clock to conserve energy during warmer months in the 18th century. Setting the clock ahead 1 hour also meant people could enjoy the extra evening daylight, but the policy didn't officially begin until about a century later. However, with the added daylight come a whole set of problems regarding sleep. An adult and child psychiatrist, Dr. Judith Joseph, has got the perfect remedy for that.
Every day leading up to it, start changing your sleep pattern by 5 to 10 minutes, especially for toddlers and kids who are really dependent on sleep for their attention, their focus, and for their mood.
But if you haven't prepared for losing an hour of sleep, Dr. Joseph says there's still simple steps you can take to lessen the impact.
There are foods that are natural in melatonin, like cherries, and then some teas like chamomile tea that people can really use. There's an herb called melatonin. Melatonin naturally exists in our bodies and our brains, and that really helps set our inner clock.
About 70 countries observe daylight saving time, but for the U.S. and its territories, it's not observed in Hawaii, American Samoa, Guam, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, the Commonwealth of Northern Mariana Islands, and Arizona. If you live near the equator, day and night are equally 12 hours all year round, which means there's no need for those countries to adjust their clocks. The closer you live to the North and South Pole, the more daylight there is in summer. So, as we spring forward this weekend, take a little time and effort to control your inner clock. You'll be glad you did. I'm meteorologist Stacey Ann Gooden, Pix 11 News.